guys, welcome back to Successful channel. Today I am going to discuss about Python programming. In that, how to find the Fibonacci series. So before writing the program, first we need to know that Fibonacci series definition. So definition of this Fibonacci series: a series of number in which each number is sum of two preceding number. Means whenever you write some Fibonacci numbers, like for example 3, so before you need to add two numbers, that is 1 plus 2. This is 3, so this is called Fibonacci number. So here I will print all Fibonacci series of numbers. So here I'm just putting some numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, like this. These are the Fibonacci series of numbers. So how we can print this series? So first of all let us take first two numbers. This is first we need to print first number, means so we need to add 0 plus 1, then it will turn 1. And then you need to print 2, means you need to add 1 plus 1, then this is 2. Again you need to print 3, so you need to add these two numbers, like 2 plus 1, 3. Then next number is 5. So this 5 means you need to add these two numbers, previous two numbers, 2 and plus 3, 5 you got. Again this 5 and this 3 you need to add. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. So like this you need to do. This is the Fibonacci number. So now I am going to print the Fibonacci series number. Let me take an n1 equal to 0 and n2 equal to 1. So then I will directly print the first two numbers. Print 1 by using this print method. Print n1 and similarly second print n2. So now I am starting calculating this Fibonacci series from here. So how we will get this number 1? So we need to add 0 plus 1. Previously I told 0 plus 1. Then it become 1. Then you will get again this 1 plus 1, 2, like 2 plus 3 equal to 5. For that reason I will write one simple for loop. That is for I in range 2, 10. Here I am just taking one range function. Here I will start from 2 because 1, 0 and 1 already printed now. So that's why I am just starting from 2. From 2 to I will print 10 numbers. So inside this loop we need to specify the first, we need to get next to Fibonacci number. So how we will get this number means when I add two values, means here n1 plus n2. So for that purpose we will get two Fibonacci number. So I just made n1 plus n2. This is n1 plus n2. So and this we need to add them into another variable, that is called sum. So sum equal to, this is sum equal to n1 plus n2, means you can add 0 plus 1, then you get 1. Again you add 1 plus 1, again you get 2. Like this only you need to do. 2 plus 1, 3. So this is called sum, and after this I will print sum. So these are the first Fibonacci number, next two numbers. Similarly we need to do like this only, and then iterate the loop like this until you got that result, and until the end of this Fibonacci series. So this is the Fibonacci program logic. Sum equal to n1 plus n2, then print this sum. Again n1 equal to n2, so n2 equal to sum. This is the simple program. I hope this program you understood. So please subscribe to my channel Success Bench. Thank you.